Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited. This is my first ever cleaning video. I always love to put some good music so that I can be cheered up to start my cleaning. I always have a systematic way of cleaning up, especially when I have so much to clean, and you guys are going to see that in this video. Some places may need more cleaning than others, so you'll see in some places I really do concentrate on the cleaning, while in others I just rush over depending on the degree of dirt. I always come up with my broom to sweep the carpet first before I fold it. I know some of you may be asking why I don't have something fancier than a broom. Probably why don't I have a vacuum cleaner? But you guys know I love to keep it real with you. And maybe when I get that, I'm going to use it on camera. But for now, this is what I use. And now we head over to the kitchen, where there's usually so much work to do. I don't know whether it's me or do you guys usually have a lot of work here? The utensils and everything. Kitchen's work is a daily, and this is daily cleaning for me because I think this is all I do each and every day. What do you guys think? Comment down below and tell me, is it me or is the kitchen work, a daily job, a daily routine? So one of the methods I always use in my cleaning is starting with the top to the bottom. This is whereby I clean everything on top, so that when I'm going to the bottom, I have now the bottom only to clean. And I feel like when you start from top, all the dirt falls on the floor and everything, so you won't have a hard time cleaning the floor. And after you sweep, you can easily mop your floor. And one thing about me, I always clean my tiles, my kitchen tiles, after I clean the utensils, because I don't want stubborn stains to stick on the tiles, and because the kitchen should always be clean, you know, especially if your tiles are of white color. I don't do much in the bedroom. I just fold the clothes and arrange everything to order. Then I arrange my closet, and that's it for the bedroom. There is not usually so much to do. And when I'm taking my clothes, I don't disarrange the closet, because you don't want to keep on, you know, arranging it each and every time. As usual, I'm going to sweep this other carpet so that when I fold it, it will be clean, and once I'm coming to unfold it, I won't have to dirty the house. For the toilet, I'm using this tropical yellow cleaner, toilet cleaner, and I love to soak it on my toilet for around 20 minutes. So you will notice that the toilet is the last thing I clean. I clean the whole house while this one is getting soaked. It's now time to clean the floor. I'm just adding a little bit of Omo Gentle and a little bit of disinfectant. I always clean the bedroom first, and then I head over to the sitting room, and I make sure to use different water for all of that. Now that I have swept the floor, it becomes so easy for me to just go through with the mop. And as you can see, I'm not going to take so much time cleaning the floor. So now it's time to clean the sitting room. As you can see, I've changed the water because you don't want your tiles to get permanent stains which come as a result of dirty water. After the sitting room, I now head over to the kitchen with again clean water because I really do take care of my tiles and I don't want them to get the permanent stains. As you can see, I always clean the kitchen heading outside because after I'm done with it, that is when now I clean this balcony that is outside the kitchen here. So after that now is when I clean my bathroom. I always start with the bathroom before I clean the toilet. As you all know, my bathroom and my toilet are in separate rooms, and that's yani, I love it. I love the fact that they're in different rooms. By now the toilet has soaked for over 20 minutes and it's now easier to clean it. As you can see, there is not usually so much to do with the toilet because it's always clean. And boom, the toilet is clean already. And you guys, I forgot to record myself while scrubbing the toilet floor, but there is nothing really much to show. So now it's time to arrange everything back to order because by now the floor has dried up. And when I'm arranging, I start with the first room that I cleaned because it's already dry. By now, I'm usually so tired, as you can see. You guys, believe it or not, this has taken me around 2 hours or something of that sort. And that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Please remember to like this video. I'll be doing more of cleaning videos, so don't forget to subscribe so that you won't miss out on those videos. Until next time, bye guys.